It is currently 5 o'clock in the morning, and Caleb and I are heading to the golf course. That is what is needed here in Seattle if you want to get out and avoid the crowds on a golf course, especially on the weekend. You have to get up at the crack of dawn and get out early, otherwise the golf course is completely slammed. You have a 6-hour round minimum, so that's why we're up so early. We got a 5:24 tee time. We'll be one of the first groups out. Hopefully we just start cruising. It is Memorial Day weekend. A little different video than what I'm used to making, but we're gonna do some golfing today, so let's have a day.
Let's have a day.
Here we are, tee number 1. Let's do it.
I don't know, man.
Send it.
It's so bad.
Just swing nice and easy. Dude, that's one.
I'm not getting that.
All right, we're off. Caleb rocketed one to the right, and I snap hooked one to the left. So
Good start.
that's a great start. It's gonna be a good day. All right, so Caleb just dropped by me. Here we go. Shot number 2.
Shoot. Uh-oh.
A little bit fat, a little bit short. Hole number 1, give us a break. All right, we ended up on the left side here, got 107. See if we can stick it. All right, this is where we ended up on the back of the green here, so a little long. Pin's way in the front. Let's see if we can putt one close. I think it's gonna break hard to the left. Walking right in my shot, bro. The GoPro's right there. I was just about to hit it too. Oh my God, I just de-greened it on the other side. I want to put you guys away. All right, hole number 1 is done.
Yeah, we gotta warm up.
Gotta warm up. I won't even tell you guys what we shot in that hole. I de-greened my first putt across the entire green, so you can just imagine what my score was there. Beautiful morning though, sun is coming up. Doesn't get much better than this, man. Golfing.
Golfing, baby.
Hole number 2, let's get it.
Dude, what?
Yeah. Came out so far left. So I think there was some technical difficulties in that third shot. I don't think it filmed. I was in the bunker and we hit it to here. And now we have this for our 4th shot. Hopefully get up and down.
For par, man. This is what we do.
A little par, let's go. All right, hole number 2 is in the books. We got our first par out of the way. That always feels good. Caleb's still searching for his first par, but
I'm still searching for a good shot.
yeah, Caleb's got to get warmed up a little bit still. But for the rest of the way, I think we'll just do random clips because I don't want to bore you guys too much.
Just got it there.
On the green.
Came off of that.
Right down the middle.
Dude, it sucks. I gotta get another one, man. Dude, go.
Dang it. Pushed that one so bad. That was cheeks. All right, first birdie off of the day. See if we can drain one.
That sucks, man.
What the? Oh, it's heartbreaking, man. That hurts the soul. All right, man. Go ahead, miss yours.
Yeah.
Dang, that sucks, man.
Nah. Waste of money.
All right, guys, this is the very next hole. Another birdie off. Let's redeem ourselves. All right, I'm not filming any more of my birdie putts the rest of the round. It's a beautiful day, though. Look at this golf course, man. It's beautiful. Ooh. Man, these greens are lightning fast. I can't do anything on them, man. I'm getting exposed, bro. These greens are like PGA greens, I swear. Exposing me. All right, front nine is complete. 7 a.m. we're through 9 holes. Head to the back 9. I am 6 over currently, so not the best front nine, but not the worst. Caleb is 100 over. Nah. Nice. Nice, dude. Dude, nice.
All right.
All right.
You gotta keep that out there.
Nope, that's going in, bro. Over the green. Good thing I don't care. There's land right here.
Probably.
Dude, holy kick. Alright, let's get some birdies. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Wow. Great par, man. You would think by the 14th hole I have the speed of the greens down and not blast my birdie putt by the hole, but both of us were able to save par there. Caleb had a great birdie putt, almost made it.
Finally, something good happening.
Finally something good happening, man. Glory to the Lord. 2 more holes left, let's finish strong.
I'll be in Maui in a few days, so
Yeah, man.
I'm vibing.
Don't even rub that in, man. Woo! We still have yet to get a birdie. No birdies in the group yet. 4 more holes
Just trying
to get a birdie.
get a
4
couple
more
bars.
holes. One of us need a birdie, bro.
I'm just looking for a par.
Yeah. All right, guns away. All right, hole 17. This is a pretty sweet little par 3. Check this out. You got to shoot it over the pond. Green's on the other side. Pretty sweet little shot. Hopefully we don't hit in the water, man. Godspeed, bro.
Yeah.
Should cover easy. I'll sit down. All right, just right side. Not horrible. Nice, tough one there, huh? Ew.
Hammer, dude.
We did like the same shot. Mine went so high, I teed up too high.
Yeah, mine was.
Sometimes I wish I was good at golf, man.
Sometimes I wish I
Man.
was. I think a little bit left to right.
Good double.
Even par, baby. It's a good round. Not my best, but
Just finished out there at Willows Run golf course here in Redmond, Washington. Super fun course. The greens were insanely fast today, so they kind of beat us up. I played well in the beginning, and the wheels kind of just fell off at the end, but that's what happens in golf, man. But nonetheless, we got 18 holes in. Fun round of golf. First time Caleb and I have golfed together in like since before his wedding, which was like last summer. So it's been a year, man. We haven't even golfed together in a year. It's outrageous. But now I'm gonna be heading east to go camping, and he's gonna go do whatever he does. So
he's gonna go play more golf.
yeah, that's what happens when you're not married, man. You can do stuff you enjoy still.
Yeah.
But that will end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for being here. See you in the next one.
See you around.
Peace.